Doctor? The way I sleep and stuff. Well, she really actually asleep. She just wake up and things, so she wake and she fell for fritters, but she never know me have in mind to make banana fritters because we get like a dozen frog banana the day. And we left them specific and we have to make them like the banana stay for a little while and we just say stale, but yeah, the more longer the banana stay, them say the better it tastes when you make the fritters. So we puree it like well blend actually, see then we should could have smell this. Make up booby for smell it, so yeah, cause some people do different than them crush out the banana and the flour and rearrange. I do that, me blend it to get the right flavor, so you don't add no water, so this alone I'm gonna use to mix the flour itself with the pure banana. So and we have a counter flour, a little sugar, not too much because I don't want to over sweet because the banana already sweet. And table sauce. I don't worry about it, something simple, you know, that's all fritters. So yeah. People in the kitchen. Say good morning to the vlogs.
Yo, I was so sick yesterday.
Fully pregnant. See them do them look nice, don't actually distract us. So fit them up in the city. Color. Check out our shoes. Battery exhausted.
Anyways, guys, good morning. As I was saying, yesterday I was sick out. Like, I literally spent the whole day in bed. Literally. I don't know what did happen to my belly. But sick out. Like, I felt weak. I couldn't stand. I couldn't walk barely. Like, they had to like bathe me, everything. Like, couldn't move. But anyways, I feel a little bit better today. I'm standing and I'm just like, I still feel kind of weakish. But I don't want whatever it is to hold me down. So I gotta get up. Probably go bathe soon. I don't know. I'm trying to figure out what to do, guys. Because I only have a few days left on the island. So I gotta make up. It's not a week anymore. Yesterday was a week. It's less than. Yeah, so we want to make the best of it. I haven't touched any seawater yet. I feel like I need to do that. I feel like my body is lacking that, so maybe that's what I need to do. And then I have to go link my side, which I probably will within like the next few days or so. And yeah, so yeah, anyways, I'm gonna go back and lie down. I just changed the battery for the People Dem man. Bless you. if it works. Oh wow. Whoa. Yeah. So guys, it's later on in the day. As you would have seen, Babe made fritters. We are now going to Montego Bay. I'm gonna go look for my daddy. I'm gonna go to my daddy. I'm gonna go see daddy. We're gonna take daddy and his wife out for an anniversary dinner treat special type thing. So I'm excited to do another double day. I mean, double day we had up on a trip here in the world. Yeah.
Significant.
Yeah, so you know, probably ask them some little questions about marriage and little tips and tricks and stuff like that, what they can give it, because they're what, 2 years in? Yeah, 2 years in? Yes, 2 years in. So yeah, we're journeying to Montego Bay right now. We're up on the toll go down. So yeah, I might show you guys some scenery. I feel like I've shown you guys the toll scenery so many times because we've been to Montego Bay, we've been to Ochi so many times. So I'm not really sure, but or maybe I'll start vlogging when I get to Ochi. I don't really feel like I do a lot of the Ochi parts leading up to Montego Bay. Yeah, so I'll do that, and then probably when we're coming back up, I'll get the toll from the opposite side because I don't feel like I really record when I'm coming back either. But yeah, right now we're just all our vibes in the car. So when we reach wherever we reach, next time I come up on the camera, I'll come back to one now. Okay, baby, you want to say something? You want to say anything?
Yeah, man, big up. You know, love all this. Big up. Way
anyways. Up. The car just literally broke down right here at the toll. Like, yo, before we took the car, we told the lady that it feels away, and she was just like, no, the brakes just got changed, everything is fine. And don't make it nowhere. And the car broke down. Oh Lord. All I wanted to do was reach Montego Bay. Jesus Christos. So update. We are still on the toll. Stuck. The lady for the car is on her way. There was a patrol officer here, and he basically said it looks like it's an internal problem. Okay, cool. Guys, it's almost 5 o'clock. It's 4:45. There's no way I'm reaching Montego Bay tonight. So yeah, just have to try, I guess. But yeah. Yeah. People always follow your mind. Follow your mind. But that's like, oh, wouldn't be Jamaica if it wasn't a story, right? I guess. Wouldn't be a vacation, I guess, if it wasn't a story, right? So annoyed because this just pushes back all my plans. Like, you know when you're working on about like a tight schedule? So something now gonna happen now because this happened. Yay me. Hey guys, checking in. Still here. Still broke down. It's almost nighttime. Yep. He's smiling. He loves this. He loves this. How you feel, babe?
Stress out. You feel weird.
You always look weird. Y'all, I would have been to Montego Bay. Just so y'all know. That's how long. That's how long I've been sitting down in this car.
Come on, I'm coming right now. I'm stressed out there, man.
And the lady just called us maybe about 15 minutes ago and said that she just reached Panda Toll. Okay, you guys, we've been sitting down here. What time is it?
Well, 45 minutes now.
What time is it? So it's been 30 minutes since I last talked to you guys. Okay? Okay. And we've been here since 4.
I'm telling you about 45 minutes.
Can't be 45 minutes, babe. That's an hour and 15 minutes. We've been here.
When I reach, I'm over here.
My prediction from the time we left, 3 o'clock, we would have reached Montego Bay at like 5:30, 5:45. But right back to Portman, my house is going tonight.
I can't go up there. I can't put bruck down.
Yeah, yeah. Just I go down. Just I go up.
I can't put up bruck down.
Okay, King.
How do we do that?
Okay, King.
Yes, Queen.
No.
Queen Amiga.
King, I saw King go on anytime she prank him. You can't put up that, Shashay. Shashay, you can't put up that.
What I can't go. I don't even know. Enough of them say it.
We never hear nobody else say that I can't go up. I want the King alone.
Nah, go up, you know.
King alone, me here, so that's.
I feel laughing at the sad times.
You wanna laugh. You
Then I
wanna
understand. I
laugh.
make a smile and trouble.
You wanna laugh.
Try laugh,
I'm not
yeah.
see you joking at this.
I will try and laugh.
As a business, you're supposed to know so the sin them where you bring out in a good
I
condition.
know where I go, because I tell you, I'm not clap, my baby.
I was just saying, what if I was going to the airport?
Think about it too. And all man think of the airport.
Like, what if this was the vehicle I needed to go to the airport? I would have missed my flight. Period. Like, and I'm naked, you guys. You guys don't even understand.
Why?
Like, I'm naked. No, but it's true. I'm naked. I have on clothes. People, I have on clothes.
Certain occasions.
No, because I dressed like this because I was in the car. I'm like, nobody now gonna see me until I come out. And when I come out, like, obviously I'm gonna fix it myself. But like, I never, you know what I'm saying? I didn't need to come out of the car. Like, I'm leaving here to go to my dad's house. I'm gonna go to my dad's house, plop down in his couch like I normally do. So, yeah, but I have no clothes for that on the road. Look on my head.
Clothes on your back.
Mama, you see what am I supposed to do? Change on the side of the road? Oh, now I have to pee pee. I'm not peeing out there. That's man shit. This is a different situation. It's not like me can't. There's no tall bush or somewhere me can't. No. I have wipes still, but nah, brother. I'm gonna say me want the record to come take the carrier and carry me go somewhere closer in our life, because people watching on my ears because oh god, but
more of them come boy, better them.
Better for who? Better for who?
I mean,
better for who? The wrecker will still have to do something. Me sit on in the front with the driver. Me still have to reach my yard. What? Well, this business sucks. So, yeah. For real though, like the amount of people, we have car park up in front, we have party, I play music, I do one bag of things and we just there, so can't move. I mean, also my father probably never end up cook, you know, because my father would have cook. I mean, also him probably say, alright, may I go even I'll go better cook. Life mash up for everybody. Anyways, y'all, my belly will start hurting me now. So, I'm gonna go relax because
I mean, you want to sleep to the car.
you know, my belly feel act up on me again.
Two have an instinct, you know,
so, yeah. People, I'm finally reached. Let us see what shall happen and occur. So, guys. One bag of things that happened. I'm gonna take off things, I'm gonna repair things, I'm gonna do one bag of things. And every truck where I come now, I come here and I stop. I can't go out and vlog y'all because I really and truly do not have on, I mean I have on clothes, but yeah, it's like, you know, one of those like for my husband's eyes only to see. You know that way there? You know, it's like if you lift your hand a little too, you know, it's like, hello. So, we can't. People depart where we call them and tell them to buy. On their way, them not buy. So now them come here and them realize that this is the part that they need and now they want to go and get it. So now they want us to drive with the car if the car can start, because I'm saying them disassemble and now them reassemble their things, yeah. But now they want us to drive the car, go to one gas station, see if we can get the parts. And Joella go come ask me say if me still want we go down at daddy. Not at all. Not at all. People, I don't know. I don't know what's happening, man. I don't know what's happening, man. It's crazy though, fam. Yo?
I reckon we come, yeah. That one,
So guys, as you can see in my background, it's getting very dark. There's no light barely almost anymore, right? Yeah, so 6 o'clock now. Let me see somebody here. But them know, stop. And pretty much, she has said the car did not come from Portland. Yeah, the car easy for overeat. And then she give it the car right as it come from Portland for go to Montego Bay.
I would sound like a rock. 341.
This couldn't be firing, this couldn't reach me. Not at all. Would have gone to me a long time. 2 hours on the road in Jamaica. Side of the road. It's a good thing with the on the toll. It's a good thing with the on the toll, I can't tell her.
I don't understand this, sir. That she click out it. Nah.
Shake it, shake it.
If it's caught, it can't stop, man.
A mosquito start to come bite me now, you know.
That man treat going every time.
People me want to see a nuts bird and just jump in it and go on our yard. That me want to do. What? You want turn up your so I go on like say you're a mechanic. So I must you want to stay here so. You guys. What just happened a while ago? What just happened? No, talk the truth. What just happened a while ago? What just happened a while ago? What you just said to me? What you just said to me a while ago?
No, I said my first ever girlfriend like
people me there right here, you know, I try relax the boy, you know, I try well I know. Me there I try relax the boy,
He's
you know.
relaxing.
Well, shut up.
He was relaxing.
Okay, just be quiet. But there I try relax the boy, you understand? I try ease away the little stress and tribulations, and I try reason out something with him right now, you understand? And here what the boy want come tell me say. Talk now? No, talk.
I puppet on a string.
No, okay, talk, babe.
No, but I told her, so when I was like 11 or 7, like the first ever girlfriend.
11 or 7?
Like Dolly House. Yeah, between that time there.
What don't cost life, don't cost nothing.
True.
See, if anything, I'm on in 9:30, the Subaru come.
Yeah.
So.
But that's how it start, man.
Maybe I can sometime or some destruction or go on and just make this.
No, that would have said so, and that would have there and say, you know.
Yeah.
So when I pray it has no bad luck.
No, yeah, man.
Sometimes that's prevention.
One no cost life, no cost nothing.
Yeah, man. I show man.
Yeah, so.
I show man. Empress.
Over there, you can always move on, see, I do what you have to do.
And money we make back.
Yeah.
Facts. Talk the things now.
No, what me I say is, I don't know, foolish. What me I say was, yeah, my childhood, like, you know, when they usually have Dolly House days. So, no feelings.
Trying to justify, just plain and simple.
It's not a justification.
Say what you say. Y'all talk things now. Just like how me did I rub your head, tell me what you said to me.
My 7-year-old girlfriend.
You never said 7-year-old. You never said 7-year-old girlfriend. You said my first girlfriend or my long-time girlfriend, she used to rub me ear. That's you say.
Yeah, cause when I trim, cause she used to like rub it, go back and say it feels good.
Move your head.
But I have an idea when you want to do it, it remind me.
I don't want to do anything that reminds you of no next day.
A 7-year-old.
I don't care.
But I can't remember who the person is.
She's my age though now. She is my age. If she was 7 years old back when I was 7, she's my age now.
No,
so what did I have to do with anything? Okay, so what? She's 31. Big whoop. Okay.
No, give me age. No, but we don't mean that way, man.
I don't business. Hi, hello, hi.
What's my moment,
go look juice.
You know,
see the man run, drive, go over the party. The same one in front of me, the man where she did come initially with. Him drive, go over there, so. So the two of them are, I don't know, the one of them are sample. And you are going to come tell me now, say, oh, this is a better with the year now than anything did happen. You gave us the car in a frigged up situation. How are you even going to say that? I didn't even want to be in Portmore till 9.
Exactly.
This is the biggest inconvenience in life right now. This is the worst thing that could have happened because tomorrow's what, Sunday?
You got to take from there too. I get hungry because I'm not really eat from man.
Anyways, people, the boy tell me to remind him of him ex-girlfriend.
I don't remind me, that's what I say. She used to it, but not even use the word remind. I like come
you did say remind. You said this remind me.
No,
that's what you say. Don't touch me.
Start the story, so
don't touch me.
You don't love me. You don't love me.
Well, that's your 7-year-old girlfriend, dog.
Look how long that. Look how you tell me about your kindergarten boyfriend.
Me never tell you nothing about no kindergarten, man. Me talk to you about my past relationship. The one I talk to you about the
Ex out. No, all before I talk to him about that people. You know?
Which other man me talk to you about?
I'm going to have the camera.
Which other man me talk to you about?
Yeah, okay.
Which other man me talk to you about? Which other man me talk to you about?
Listen, backseat driving, it get dark, you know. Ready?
Yo, I was just watching back the footage from the New Year's Eve night. Oh my God, when you're drunk. Yo, I was dying because it's so, the video is so sexy.
I don't want to drop the cup. I want the attack.
No, you didn't drop the cup on here. You dropped the cup on live.
Oh, man.
But when we were recording and you were getting in your feelings and the liquor did take over your body and you start feel hot and you did want to drag me and other things, yo. It's so funny. Like, I'm start wine pie, you know. And then we come out of the frame, me not think so. And then we come out of the frame and then you just see me come back on the screen and me I laugh at that, but I'll be back, guys. That was the New Year's Eve goodbye, you know? Bye to 2020. You know, bye to 2020.
Yo, when I read that was a memory. When I said that was a night.
Everybody know that was a night. New Year's Eve is a night. Everybody celebrating at the night, so yeah, that was
very special and good. Fun night.
Shut up, no, man.
No. I'm gonna use a puff for your belly, the car.
Oh, my belly.
Man, go in there, then, people. Yo, Tio. I am with these stress, but we still have all our vibes, man.
Yo. Anyways, outside of the oh god, as you can see, it's night. Night. I wrap up in a towel and all these things because a good girl is cool. Yeah. I don't know what I'm gonna try to do with the car when next car come. And it look like them I gonna try pull a car using one next car. I don't know, but let's see what happens on this shit show. I hope you guys were entertained today. This is the second day of the new year, and this is what we're dealing with today. So yeah. Love it here. See? Knutsford. Could have got me out, you know? Could have well and got me out. You guys were literally at the toll. Focus now. There we go. Yeah, literally. Muscatania me up. But still not get for PP. All these things. I'm not helping, God no. I'm not help because this is ridiculous. What's my nail mashup?
Long distance loving,